guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create custom frames in Canva. So if you go to apps here, you'll see in trending there's a customized frames here. It's called the frame maker. Just type frame maker in if it's not there. Then you're going to basically just move this around. You can double click to create a new point, like here for instance, and then you can make it like this. And you can also see all of the shapes that you can kind of like adjust here. Add to design. That's going to be my first one. I'm going to make it like a little bit bigger than that. Then the second one, I want it to be like this, for instance. Oops. Add to design. Like that. Let's just, oops. And then for the other one, I just want to make like a triangle here. I'm gonna remove a point here. Press done. Then I'm going to add that to the design. It needs to be a little bit more slanted like that. And then lastly, I want to make like another triangle here at the edge. Let's add to design and see if it fits. You know, it fits, so that's fine. Let's just move this all to the middle. And now you can add in some elements in the frame, whatever you like. I'm just going to search up like patterns. Go to photos, and I'm just going to add some random patterns in there. I don't know, it's totally up to you, but yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!